So what then is DevOps? Well, let's look at a few definitions that I like. First, this one from Gartner Research, one of their public definitions of DevOps, is it represents a change in IT culture, focusing on rapid IT service delivery through the adoption of agile, lean practices in the context of a system-oriented approach. Talks about culture here. This isn't just technology. And the goal, though, is rapid delivery. It's value. Let's look at Amazon Web Services. What do they say? Well, they say DevOps is the combination of cultural philosophies, practices, and tools that increase an organization's ability to deliver applications and services at a high velocity. Speed again, right? But we're also seeing that mix of culture and technology. What about the folks at Puppet, some of the early creators of DevOps tooling? They say DevOps is a way to release better software. It's not just technical tools or workflows. It's also a cultural practice. DevOps produces better software faster by aligning development, staging, and deployment. This is talking about teams coming together. Again, value matters and speed matters, but it's also happening by improving things upstream and how teams work. Finally, Atlassian also does a lot of things across the DevOps toolchain. They say that DevOps is a set of practices that work to automate and integrate the processes between software development and IT teams so they can build, test, and release software faster and more reliably. Again, we're hitting on speed, reliability, collaboration, practices in tech. This is all how it comes together.